This is the first lesson for Microsoft Excel for Year 9 Commerce students for creating a spreadsheet for assessment task number 1. If you've used Microsoft Excel before or need help formatting, totaling or creating a graph, I suggest that you watch some of the other videos included in this suite of videos on use of Microsoft Excel. For new users, and this video is for new users of Microsoft Excel, we're going to create a basic spreadsheet for your shopping list. Now, your shopping list asks you to collect shopping items from the supermarket based on needs, wants and luxury items. So the first list we're going to create is for our needs. Microsoft Excel has a series of columns and it creates a grid. You see the columns are labelled A, B, C, D, etc. and the rows along the side are labelled 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Each of these columns and rows create a cell. So for example, this cell which is highlighted is cell A1, and we can put information on each cell. I'll highlight here E7, and that's cell E7. We're going to go to cell A1 and we're going to type in a title. The title for the sheet is Needs. Then I'd like you to click into cell A2. This is where we're going to put our headings for the data that we collect. So the headings are from your assessment task. The first heading will be item number. In cell B2 we're going to put the next heading. The next heading will be product. Our next heading will be in cell C2 and that will be brand. Our next heading in D2 will be price. The next heading in E2 will be substitute brand. You'll notice that the word substitute brand fall across two columns. To extend the width of a column, we move our mouse cursor on the line between the two columns and you'll see the cursor changes shape, and we just drag the size. Our next column heading in F2 will be substitute price. And our next column heading in G2 will be Enviro brand. Again, you need to change the width of this column. Our final heading will be Enviro price. And again, change the width of this column. I suggest you change the width of the product column and the brand column to give yourself some more space to type. Then we need to complete all the data for our table, and this will go in this space here. The first column we'll put in item number 1, and for this example the first product that we'll place in there is bread. The brand we'll choose today for an example is TikTok, and the price as an example will be $3. The substitute brand will be Coles, and the substitute price will be $2. There may not be an environmental brand, so we'll leave that brand blank, but we'll call the Enviro price the same as the substitute price. Now we just complete all our data for needs in the spaces below. Make sure you save your spreadsheet and then continue on to the next lesson when you've completed your list.